This page includes affiliate links where TroyPoint may receive a commission at no extra cost to you. Many times, you will receive a discount due to the special arrangements made for our visitors. I will never promote something that I personally don't use or recommend. Purchasing through my links directly supports TroyPoint, which keeps the content and tools coming. The following guide contains a list of the best free IPTV apps for streaming live TV. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is a way for cord cutters to stream live television through the internet. Oftentimes, IPTV is a paid service that users can expect to pay anywhere from $10 minus $20 per month. However, there are also free apps available that don't cost anything. These free IPTV apps are perfect for the Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, Fire TV Cube, and other Fire TV devices. These apps also work great on Android devices such as the MECOOL KM3, NVIDIA Shield, generic Android TV boxes, and more. Although some of these apps are available in the Amazon App Store and Google Play Store, some apps come from a third party and will need to be side-loaded using the Downloader app. You can install Downloader from the Amazon App Store by searching Downloader. If you are using an Android TV box, NVIDIA Shield, Mi Box, etc., you can also install the Downloader app on your device. Use the link below for the Downloader tutorial guide. How to install Downloader app on Android box. While some of these free apps work well, they are not always reliable. Oftentimes, streams are only available in SD standard definition and can contain ads and buffering. If you want reliable, high-quality live TV with minimal buffering, TroyPoint suggests purchasing an inexpensive IPTV service. These services provide thousands of live HD channels across a variety of categories for a small monthly fee. Use our free Ultimate IPTV guide below for the best IPTV services, players, registration info, and more.
Shit to me, maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch it burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm. this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage, I gotta go. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. But my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage, I gotta go. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.